I have sconces everywhere in my home, and you know, it depends on the shape and what you're trying to bring about. I love shades on sconces, and I think that the shape of a sconce can really change the space, as well as adding dimmers to sconces, things like that.
When you use sconces, make sure they're at the right level. How many times have you gone into a space and the sconces are way up here? They're not lighting anything.
3 of my favorite tips for sconces are A, make sure that they're not pushing out too far from the wall. B, if they are pushing out far from the wall, make sure that there's an accent piece underneath them, like a stool or an occasional table. 3, sconces with lampshades produce softer and more beautiful light.
A tip for sconces is that they don't have to necessarily match the rest of the lighting in your house. They can be their own moment.
3 tricks for sconces are going to be that you can use sconces everywhere to add that extra amount of light and charm and ambiance that you're looking for. So in a hallway, it's a perfect spot for it. In a bathroom, they're great. You can get them right at face level, so where they really light the room up. And also, I would use them in an entry area.